Palm wine, known by the several local names, is an alcoholic beverage created from the sap of various species of palm tree. It is known by various names in different regions and is very common in Africa, the Caribbean, the South America, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. So the sap is extracted and collected by the tapper. We normally call them the palm wine tappers.
This palm tree here is four in one. You can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the 4 at the back. Wow. How many years are you?
But I'm start here the 84.
Hey! What's that so try? Uno 84. Whoa!
In Africa, palm wine plays an important role in many ceremonies, in many tribes and many regions. In Ghana and even in Nigeria, we use palm wine to serve guests at weddings, birthday celebrations, funerals, gatherings, to observe important festivals and holidays at several generous quantities. And since palm wine is a local and traditional drink, we use this drink or this wine to show respect to our deceased ancestors. So many drinking sessions begin with a small amount of palm wine spilled on the ground to show respect to our deceased ancestors. Palm wine is enjoyed by men and women throughout the country. Palm wine also have a medicinal purpose such to help improve your eye vision and also to give your body vitamin B1. It also helps prevent cancer. So in this video, I'll be showing you how the palm wine tappers or the tappers get to the farm, they extract the wine from the sap or from the palm tree, and how they store. So hope you like this video. Subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Yeah, let's do this. Orkodo.
Look, brothers, sisters, how you doing? Yeah, so it's 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and we're on our way to the farm, and we're going to tap palm wine. Yeah, Orkodo.
I'm in Offensive by requesting in the Ashanti region, and we are in the Jakumi's palm tree farm, locally known as Abeso. So they do go to the farm very early in the morning because there are about 200 plus of palm tree being brought down, and they have to work on them by creating way on the sap for the liquid to come out and also to empty the full gallon. Their target is to make hard liquor or gin with the palm wine. So they extract and store the wine for further process. But in this video, we'll be looking at how the extracting process or method is done.
So when the palm tree comes down, they make this space over here, and they'll make a hole. So the liquid that will come out from the palm tree is the palm wine. And palm wine is one of the richest trees we have on earth, and it has so many benefits and or resources. Yeah, you can make soup from it, oil, red oil, palm wine. You can make broom with the branches, etc. So that's the whole that when everything comes. So you see the water is coming. Okay?
Yes,
it's dripping.
yes.
So when the water drips, it gets into the hole, then it goes down into the gallon. So that's the water coming over there. Wow.
After they recover it. Winning
A mushroom.
Yes. Winning Yanawua or Domu. Emiri.
So ingredients and bringing a boy, I say poisonous.
Domu, Papa,
no. And so we soon not chair then Imri. Wow.
And now Unima Cocono.
Aquacunia.
Aquacuno Bansana.
Imrinaba. Wow. Wow. It's a better kid. How many days did they take answer in Nasa? Auntie, I better was out for 1 month. I said Nasa. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And the people must be wow.
It's around 6:30 a.m. and we need to move to the deeper side because there's a lot to do. Today was my first time entering to the big farmyard like this, and I didn't have any clue. So I just had my sandals and shorts on. So I realized I messed up after seeing them wearing their running boots and etc.
And they meet me saying 16 of a debia. Wow. After they've taken the small gallons and refilled the yellow ones, they get 16. How many liters? 25 liters. So they get 16 of the 25 liters every day. Every day they be
Yes.
Whoa.
But it grew about 2 weeks.
That is so thick.
Yes.
Because we've been a simple. Wow. People do steal palm wine a lot, yeah. And so they will from today they will be sleeping here to monitor the boiling process. If not, before they come, all is gone. Yeah. But we are then. We are alcohol. Hey. Yeah, alcohol. Yeah. So we are going to the top to start the pouring, or transferring of what do you call it? The small gallons into the big gallon. The 25 liters, the yellow gallon. Man, this is typical jungle. Oh, Yabi. Wow. Where you from? And I'm born as home. Oh, okay. No, atom. Wow. Man. Okay, I'm coming to work here. Man, it's today that I really feel like I'm doing proper content. Man, but I'm really loving it though. I'm really loving it. Hey. I should have brought some shoe or something. Hey, come on. Wow. Hey. So the whole place is cocoa farm. And yeah, cool. And this one is cassava. Like it's a typical farm. I'm quite son. Why you hear me? And it's true. So as I said, this is my first reward. My first. So you see how white my feet is. The Hamatan. That place, I'm not going there. Man, hey, we know. I told me, I'm hurt already. I knew it. I should have brought some jeans or trousers to cover my leg and also some shoes, but I thought it's one of those normal farms, but it's not. Like this is typical farm. So first time being a typical farm like this, ever since I was born. Yeah, but it's interesting though, like to experience and have encounter with people working in this kind of areas. Like it's amazing, yeah. It enlightens you and opens your eyes in so many ways, and yeah, makes you cherish life. Yeah, it humbles you. It makes you respect and give respect to everyone. Yeah, so we're still on the tapping, and man, I'm stuck here right now. I'm not moving an inch. If I'm moving, then I'm going back to the base. And to go back, we have to go and pass under the cocoa farm again, and that's a different thing altogether. So the place is full of food. We have plantain, we have banana. You can see some banana over there. I don't know if it's banana or plantain, but we have plantain, we have banana, we have cassava. I've seen cassava, I've seen cocoa, I've seen pawpaw. Like and that's it. Okay, to me that okay, that's it. To me that's it.
Yes, sir.
Now, I didn't know what you say. Now he's transferring inside the 25 liters, and as I said earlier, they get 16 of of this gallon every day for 2 weeks. It's after 2 weeks now at saying 10 and
maybe about 10 and 12.
12, okay, but it's around that figure now. It's about 40 days. We went and we have 2 gallons already. Wow. Yeah, so this is how they make the hole inside the tree. So they use the metal and they press it to make the hole way down. Then they use bamboo, the small piece of bamboo to make the channel. So that's where the liquid will pass it through to the gallon. Yeah. That means every 6 hours be enemy dry. Every 6 hours be not dry. And to make try 40 days in the see. 40 days in the do decide.
Yes.
Wow. When a bomb fall no. Wow. Wow. So this is this Mudu 2 years. Into impact player and Muslim. Hey, so this palm tree here is 4 in 1. You can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the 4 at the back. Wow, man, God is good. And how many years are you away?
But yeah, you continue.
Okay.
But I'm start here the 84.
Hey! What's that so try? Uno 84. Since 84. Whoa! I'm coming to Chicago. We come to Chicago. That's what I was saying. How many years now are you away? 20 years. 84. And I had officially I was why is
How many?
Okay. Omoyabe. Wow, 84. Whoa. How can Nigeria for Nubi? I'm on Nigeria about that time, you know. 83, 84 no. Okay, Ghana must go for no. Wow. We 20 years. No who's saying we need you there. We need you. Abua we want. It's come me want. It's come. It will be I saw I dream also be new abe and will be a palm white or in Sanada no me ya for no internet here. I no credit. Business pa. Uko with him. Aha, but I bet no agree with the end by your difference then. Yes.
Where you local?
A local says one would be an answer, one if free.
And one if
I told women and one if free.
who say I have one
pro. No, but German. Okay. Not a fair. And then you have a panel. Local ones, so not great here, they know.
And yet,
if no, okay. Now I bet mature the coming years and so.
I bet. And kitchen there at least 3 years.
When say take it 3 years. And sana I bet not say
I agree so
3 years, okay. Somebody, you know.
I do a cocoa now,
say, okay. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is our last cutting, yeah, the last palm tree. Now we are heading back to the base where we were this morning, and at least try some palm wine on the unnecessary. Unnecessary. So this is the footpath where we were this morning.
So after the gallons has been kept full, the ladies will now bring them to the storing depot. So their target is to store and distill it to turn to hard liquor or gin. Watch out for that video very soon. Don't worry about the incense in the palm wine because they also play a major role. So brothers, sisters, we planted fufu in the bush and it was dope. I have posted the video already. The link will be in the description box. Check it out and you love it. So this is the video for the palm wine tapping, and hope you like it, you enjoy it. Yeah, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's meet again for shizzle my nizzle. Okay,
so this is the palm wine. Yeah, so early morning palm wine. So I have been directed to go home since the first phase of the production is done. Yeah, and you know, this farm or forest, if you don't take care, you get lost or you get missing. So they brought me to a point and they showed me the way. He said, go straight. Yeah, you get home. But one interesting thing is, village life, yeah, makes you bold. Like, it gives you the courage and takes out the fear. Now I'm all here alone, working in the midst of this forest. I just passed one cocoa farm and cassava farm. Yeah, there's no one on the way, and I'm all here alone. So this is one of the reasons why those in the village are very brave, because they've been walking all alone since childhood to their adulthood. So what exactly will scare them? Like, tell me, that braveness is there. And that's what makes village life exceptional. Yeah, and I'm loving it. Like, these people over here cherish the little things that they have. The little things that they have, they cherish it. Like, they really appreciate life. You wake up in the morning, early in the morning, 5 a.m. to the farm to do whatever they have to do, and they appreciate. Yeah. Anyway, village life, I'm also experiencing. Let's meet again.
Marada.